When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss and so I did.
Good morning. It is another epic day here in Sri Lanka, guys. If you've been following along, you know we left Yala National Park last night on the trip here, and we took the 2-hour drive up to Ella. But by the time we got here last night, it was pitch black. It was like 9:30 at night. We were exhausted from the safari all day. Wiped us out. It just totally wrecked our bodies, but it was worth it. Definitely was cool. So this morning we just dropped off some laundry in town. We found this little trail and we're going to take you guys over to one of Ella's main tourist attractions. It's the 9 Arches Bridge, and I think if we hustle a little bit, we got plenty of time, I think, but we should be able to catch the train as it rolls by at noon. And then after that we got a pretty mellow day plan. We're going to take you guys back, show you our room, take a little walk through town. I gotta buy a new shirt. I'm running out of clothes here. And tonight we might go for a hike. We're not really sure, but trust me, it's gonna be entertaining because we've only been here a little while and this little town is awesome. It's just got such a cool vibe. And like I just said, it's another beautiful day. We have just been, travel gods have been blessing us with the weather on this trip so far. I mean, we see a little downpour here and there, but nothing sticks around. And most of the day it's beautiful, so warm, humid, just like we love it. And let's see, what else can I get into with you guys? Oh yeah, the people here. We were just talking about that. The people here are just so friendly. I mean, welcoming. They just want to come up and talk to you. All ages, old men on the street coming up to us, old women saying hello. Everybody wants to say hi, where you from, how you doing. They're not trying to pressure you or sell you anything. I mean, these guys are friendly, like Thai style friendly.
Our host last night made us that sandwich.
Yeah, I mean, we rolled in at 10 o'clock last night hungry, and our host at the hotel we're staying at made us sandwiches and fresh fruit juice and everything. I mean, these people here are just amazing. Sri Lanka has moved up. It might be number 43 on our list of countries, but boy, it's moving up the list on our list of favorite countries real fast. We only scheduled 2 weeks here, but wow, I'm wishing we'd schedule more now. But we'll be back. I am sure we'll be back. And I think we'll be back next year for the Tuk Tuk race. Oh, where are we coming out to here? Woo! Hot. Nice cool breeze in the shade back here though. Walking down that street was rough.
Somebody's selling coconuts.
Oh, king coconuts.
Thank you. Have a good day. I love them. I think they taste really good. This one's better than the other one we had. It's colder.
To me, it tastes like that wonderful, glorious last sip of milk when you eat a bowl of cereal, except the milk went a little bit sour. That's how I feel about it.
Oh, now I'm not gonna be able to get that thought out of my head.
But it's not bad. No, I'm just teasing you guys. It's not a bad flavor at all.
It's just good for hydrating you, especially sweating in this humidity.
I'm just spoiled by Thai coconuts, I guess. They taste a little different. But this one actually tastes better than the one we had the other day.
Cold.
Yeah. The other one we had was warm. Oh, it was horrible. But this one's colder, so I like it. Guys, just look at this scenery. Look at these houses way up here, all built into the cliffs like this, with little flowers coming all the way down and all. Oh, this place is so beautiful. I did have some pretty high expectations for Sri Lanka as far as natural beauty and all goes, but so far, and we've only made it to Ella, but so far it's exceeded all my expectations. This is stunning. Damn it, I wish we booked a month. You know, we do countries usually in either 2 weeks at a time or a month at a time, and we decided for some reason to do 2 weeks here instead of a month. And now I'm regretting it, but uh-oh, here we go. We found a bridge. Here's our first view of it. Oh, how cool is that? So what makes this bridge special, Alyssa was just telling me, is it was built in 1921, and as a testament to the architecture of the time, it was built with no metal, all bricks, the whole thing. Look at these people. Everybody's out there just posing, taking pictures. All right, let's get down there and do the same. So we climbed all the way down to get this view. I gotta admit, I'm a little disappointed because as soon as I got here, I went to take out the drone and there's signs that say no drones, no drones. So I don't see anybody around enforcing it though, but I don't see any other drones in the air, so I'm not sure what I should do. Maybe I'll just take a little walk and do it from back there, but we'll see. Still epic, quite an amazing bridge, and it's fun to climb down here into these snake-filled weeds. All right, that's the climb. Let's do it. Back up and catch the train. So that was the Nine Arches Bridge, guys, and it was definitely worth coming and doing. Not only do you get to see a iconic Sri Lankan landmark, but you get to take a hike. That's awesome. Pretty cool little hike we're going on here. Although if you look back behind me there's some rain rolling in. So we're trying to get back real quick. Another thing I want to mention was if you want to fly your drone, you have to call this number and get permission. But as I was leaving, I said to the security guard, okay, can I have permission? He just started laughing. He goes, you know what, go ahead, 10 minutes. He said, just stay up high and don't try to fly underneath it because there's beehives underneath. And he didn't want me to disturb all the beehives and I guess, you know, get everybody stung. So that was fine with me. I just took it up real quick. He said, you got 10 minutes. We just did a quick flight and then we brought it back down. We beat the rain. Thumbs up, Sri Lanka for the win again. God, I love these people here. Alright guys, so check it out. We were just walking down the street and we figured we were gonna get something to eat real fast. And when we came in to find this dish that we heard of, look who we found. The legend, the man himself, Paddy Doyle, the man who started this whole journey for us. So we're gonna join him for lunch. We're gonna try our, what's it called? Kotu roti. So we're gonna try that real fast. And we'll see you guys again in a minute.
It's extra spicy, so you might see us
spicy.
sweating bullets soon.
Alright, let's give it a taste and then we'll shut the camera off.
It's got a kick.
Does it?
And what are these, do you know?
This is tomato-based curry sauce, and this is chickpea curry sauce, but that's it. It's not, it's just for...
Not spicy?
Yeah, it's just to dip it in or pour it over.
Let's give it a taste first.
Can I get a ginger beer with us? And a squeeze of lime? Oh, thank you.
And you're okay, right? The kotu was good for you?
Yeah, it was good. Just like, next time more spicy.
Not spicy.
Yeah, that's not too spicy. That is delicious though.
Yeah.
Wow, try that. I know what you mean by hangover food.
But thank you.
Oh wow, that was so good.
Isn't it?
Yeah,
It's
that
just
is
like,
delicious.
it's naughty, isn't it? It just tastes naughty. You know it's not good for you, but it tastes too good.
Yeah, that's definitely some good hangover food. All right, guys, we're gonna devour this, catch up with our buddy, and we'll see you guys outside later. All right, guys, so that hike that we were gonna take tonight, we're gonna take now instead because we got a personal chauffeur to take us there, so we figured we can't give up on this.
And this is
500
his,
rupees.
I'll give you 200.
I've lost my bloody
Electric.
Oh, look at that. Snazzy.
Yay, I didn't lose
He's
my
interested in your electric tuk tuk.
Oh yeah, everywhere I
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it's an electric Tuk Tuk, the first one ever in Sri Lanka.
That's the advantage of being a big superstar. They call you and they say, hey, come check out our new Tuk Tuk we got. And you just gotta come, gotta come give it a review.
Here charging, sir? Yes. And batteries in the back. No gas. No petrol.
How many kilometers is this charging?
120, 130 around. And it is Padang.
Yeah, go ahead, throw that back here with us.
You want it in the back?
Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
Oh, there is some room back there. All right, Bitterman. So this hike is called Little Adams Peak, and we're gonna try to head up to the top before the rain gets here. What the? This is awesome. Look at these seats on here.
Your house?
I see that, look at that. Listen guys, you can forget that room tour we showed you this morning. Patty's treating us to a night here tonight, so we're gonna be hanging out.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Hello. Look at that swing. So that is the hike we're gonna do, but Paddy was just telling us that this whole resort here is all brand new. This wasn't here last time he was here, so we're just taking a walk around and checking it out. This place is beautiful. So let's recap, guys. We were just walking along, we went into a bar, and there Paddy was sitting there. So he's my mentor when it comes to YouTube, so we figured we were gonna sit down, we had lunch with him, it was great. And then he said he was gonna go do the same hike we were about to do today, so we figured we'd join him. And we're starting the hike out now. We're gonna head up to the top of this Adams Peak, and then hopefully we'll get back in time to grab a beer at that awesome little bar we were just at, because that's the mood we're in right now. Oh, look at that rain out there. Well, it might not have been like the biggest hike in the world, but the rewards are awesome. Look at this view.
To get there.
Well guys, it looks like our storm is moving the other direction, so we should be all right up here. We made it to the peak. Nobody else up here but us, and it is just gorgeous. What do you think? Tell them what you think of this hike.
I'm just a little dirty. It was a lot of
scrambling.
Yeah, like
little dirty hands.
I was sliding on my butt to get down and everything, just so I didn't fall face first, but it was all right. It was all right.
And look at this. It was a short hike, like I said, very short. It only took us maybe half hour, 40 minutes to get up here, but look at the views, guys. This is Sri Lanka.
On the other side, they do have that huge ass beach club, or club, I should say, not a beach club, but the music was so loud. Now that we're over here, over on the other side of the mountain, you can't even hear it anymore. It's very peaceful and quiet up here.
But we're gonna hear it in a minute, because we're gonna go get us a beer and reward ourselves for the hike.
Well,
film Paddy. Paddy's taking a little bathroom break. For once, it's not Alyssa taking a pee. Guys, this is the beauty of traveling. This is just amazing. 2 days ago, I was on a pole fishing in the ocean. What? Yesterday, I was spotting leopards in the national park. And here I am today, accidentally running into a friend in Sri Lanka and climbing a mountain together. My life is good, people. I am never going to complain about my life or about any travel problems, because things are good. Things are just really good. All right, so we made it to the top. We came on back down, and now we're getting our beer. With old Paddy Doyle here.
Oh, sorry.
Cap.
In case you guys haven't heard of this newbie, check out his channel. That's it for today, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. We're gonna have a few beers, enjoy the night. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
You're not bringing them to the strip club?
Nah, we're gonna stay home.
That's our adventure.
And we'll see you guys for another adventure from Ella tomorrow.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We need you guys.